This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Lift the luggage compartment floor and remove the storage tray. Undo the nuts and remove the battery retaining bracket. Slacken the nut, then with a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Lift the plastic cover, slacken the nut, and disconnect the positive lead clamp from the battery. Undo the bolt and remove the battery clamp. Where fitted, pull the vent hose from the side of the battery. Lift the battery from place. Take care as the battery is heavy. Remove any debris from the battery tray, then maneuver the battery into position with the terminals at the rear. Press the vent pipe into the hole in the side of the battery casing. Position the battery clamp, then insert and tighten the retaining bolt. Press the positive lead clamp firmly down over the battery positive terminal and tighten the clamp nut. Press the negative lead clamp firmly down over the battery negative terminal and tighten the nut. Refit the retaining bracket and tighten the nuts. Smear a little petroleum jelly on the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. Refit the storage tray and floor panel. After reconnecting the battery, the engine may run erratically until it has been driven for a few minutes to allow the ECM to relearn its settings. Initialize the upper electronic module by unlocking the vehicle using the remote control. It will also be necessary to recalibrate the blower fan and the sunroof. With the ignition turned on, set the blower speed to the maximum position, then to the minimum position. Blower motor calibration is now complete.